Same year I was diagnosed, that summer the whole ALS Ice Bucket Challenge phenomenon went viral. It was insane to see because ALS has been in my family, like I've been around it for such a long time, but nobody spoke of this disease. I didn't care. If they were saying the words or the letters ALS and bringing attention to it, I was happy, you know? So I was just sitting back watching all that happen. So I did all the fun part, you know, I jumped into a bikini and I washed my car and I did all that fun thing. Because that's why the Ice Bucket Challenge was successful, I thought, you know, it's because it was fun. Nobody talks about this disease because it's ugly, you know, that doesn't go viral, but as soon as somebody does something random and fun, it goes viral. And so that's what I did, and then and that was funny, I guess. And then at the end, I was like, I'm gonna talk to the camera. I turned on the camera when nobody was in my house, and I just talked to it. I didn't know what I was gonna say, and it became emotional, hysterical almost, because I was listening to myself and realizing how unfair this was.